Oh girl, you're shining. You know you're my diamond.
Hi guys. Okay guys, today is Tuesday, July. What is the date today? Okay guys, so I'm prepping for our national convention that's happening in Ottawa starting tomorrow. So I'm packing. I'm gonna show you what I'm at so far. I started to pack like this, like my makeup, my little essentials, my little makeup stuff here. Anyways, I'm starting to pack some little things. Okay, my essentials here, brushes, things. I'm just trying to see how I can do this. I think I'll have to use a second pouch because I have too much stuff. Anyways, yeah, I'm starting with all this small stuff and then I'm gonna move on to the clothes and stuff like that, outfits. So yeah, here I am guys. I'm gonna show you my hair too. Okay, I'm gonna get some faux locks in today because I don't want to have to deal with my hair while I'm there, but I just want to show you my hair. Okay, wow, cute, right? It's very cute. It's growing. I'm very happy. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna get back to my packing because I'm starting work in like an hour or so, but I still need to get some packing out of the way before I start work because I'm up anyway, so might as well just do something, right? So yeah. I'll be back. I never wanna go back. I never wanna know that life before love. I'm living in the moment, in the shadow of Look, guys. Hi guys. We're on our way to Ottawa. Passenger Princess reporting for duty. Mom is driving because I don't do well for long distances. Who's calling you? Oh, Zelda. Hold please. Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah? I thought you guys are driving now?
Yeah, we just left.
Hi guys, we just made it to Ottawa. Guys, I'm very excited. As always, I'm very excited guys. I'm gonna give you a little tour of the hotel as per usual. Let's start with the lovely washroom. So this is the washroom. Okay, I already used one towel because I washed my hands. Yeah, this is the washroom. You see here we have a beautiful mirror. Okay, mirror area, whatever. Then we have the shower. Nice washroom area. Little toilet bowl there. Then here I come into the room. 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 Here. Okay, mom. Hi, mom. I'm here with my lovely mommy. Hi, mom. And this is a lovely room. Very simple suite. 2 queen beds. This is our view from the hotel. Wow, empty parking lot. It's beautiful, I like it, and this is my office area. We brought out our snacks here. Because, you know, sometimes you get hungry in the evening and you don't want to go out. Guys, I'm very excited. The program is starting in about an hour. 1 hour or so. So I'm going to unpack a few things and yeah, I'll see if I can get a bit of rest. I doubt it. I want to shower before the program starts too, so. Here I am. Your lovely Kesh. Your one and only Kesh. Yeah guys, I'm very excited. So I'm gonna see what I can do. I have about an hour before the program starts. So I'm gonna see if I can unpack a little bit. Set some stuff up for tomorrow because tomorrow we have morning prayers in the morning. And I'm actually working today. I had a day off. But tomorrow and Friday I'm working. So yeah, I won't be able to attend the programs during the day. But I'll go for the evening service, which is fine. Anyways guys, yeah, I'm gonna see what I can set up and yeah. I'll be back soon. Today's day 1. Okay, today's day 1 of the program, so I'm very excited. Yeah, I'm very excited.
Oh, it's beyond our wildest dreams. What God is going to do.
Hi guys, today's day 2 of the National Convention. I haven't recorded much, guys. I'm not really doing a good job. Anyways. Yeah, we're getting ready to go have supper, then we're gonna go for evening service, which is starting around 2 hours or so. So yeah, I'm getting into the elevator now. You like the conference so far, Mom?
So far, so great.
So great?
Yesterday's message was just amazing.
And how was the afternoon session? I missed it.
Oh my goodness, so many wisdom.
So many wisdom?
Of wisdom from Dr. Samani, who talked about, what was it about again? Youth ministry.
Yeah. I'm gonna go watch it. I didn't have the time to watch it yet.
Wow, I was very impressed.
That's great.
And you know, some of the things that were shared, not just youth ministry, but you can apply it to every aspect of ministry.
Wow,
yes, that's
beautiful.
I love it.
I haven't been doing a good job with this vlog. Anyways, today is day 2, let's say. Yeah, technically day 3. Day 3, okay, of the conference, of the convention. It is currently about 5:42 a.m. Yeah, I see the time there. 5:42 a.m. to be exact. Yeah, I'm getting ready to go for morning prayers. We have morning prayers from 6 to 8. So that's where I'm at this morning. And then this evening we have a service. There's an afternoon service, but I won't be able to make it. Because I'm working. Guys, I'm working. I'm a hardworking girl. Anyways. Yeah, it's been great. So it's the first night our senior pastor preached about the favor of God, how to obtain the favor of God, how to live in the favor of God. And then last night he taught about how to be made well. Okay? And I really liked, well, both of them were amazing. But I really liked last night because he used the scripture in John 5 where we see a man who has been paralyzed. And when he was asked, do you want to be made well? He wasn't answering the question directly. He was saying that, oh, there's no one to bring me to the pool where people are made well, right? When the water is stirred and people are made well. You can go read that scripture. It's in John chapter 5, okay? Anyways, yeah, so it was really a beautiful teaching about how to appropriate your healing, you know? Sometimes God he wants to give us something, but you're there. Like God is asking a simple question and you're there answering something else, or you're saying other things. So it was just a beautiful reminder of the God that we serve and how much he loves us. I loved it. It was great. And yeah, it's amazing being here, getting to see people that I won't see all the time, whether it be friends from this branch, from Ottawa branch, whether it be pastors, you know. It's a blessing to be part of an organization where not only my own pastors pray for me, but I know the other pastors pray for me by the questions that they ask me when they see me. Like sometimes it's just things that they say that I know that it's because they're keeping me in prayer, right? So yeah, it's a blessing. I'm really happy. I'm happy that I was able to make it. Yeah, Ottawa's not far from us, right? It's only 2 hours away, so it's great. I'm just happy. So I'll keep you posted. Like I said, technically today is day 2 full day, but it's the third. This evening session will be the third evening session. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the clips before. I included some like ministration by the choir. It's amazing. Anyways, that's all I have to say. You can see it by the smile on my face. So yeah, I'll be back soon. Guys, I just want to show, I forgot to show you the t-shirt I'm wearing. It's Halifax Limitless Possibilities 2022, because last year when I went to the international convention I bought this t-shirt because our theme of the year of 2022 was the year of limitless possibilities. Every year when they announce the theme of the year, I'm like, this is my theme for the year. I be thinking about it every day. This year's the year of release. I think about it every day. Every day I think about it. Did I show my nails? I did, I showed you my nails, yeah. Okay, I just wanted to show you the t-shirt. Now I'm getting excited. Okay, bye. Hi guys, I'm at Express. I just want to show you my pin. Okay? Release. The year of release 2023 is a year of release. Wow guys, you like my hair? I did it myself. You like my edges? I'm waiting for my food. I'm going to eat. Yeah, today is day 3? Yeah, today is day 3 of the conference. It's almost coming to an end. Tomorrow's the last day, guys. I'm very sad. Anyways, I just want to show my hair. Wow, it's the edges of soup. And I have my little pin here. I have my pin here that says release 2023 focus. Yeah, we love it. Hi guys, I am currently getting lunch. Yeah, we just finished morning service and we're getting something to eat now. Guys, I want to show you my makeup because I feel like my skin is looking yeah, my skin is looking very wow, lovely. Yeah. Anyways, I had a great time. This morning it was an installation service, so our senior pastor taught on the role of deacons in the church, because it was an installation of new deacons and deaconesses, because they're all women in this case. Yeah, it was very interesting. Yesterday night he taught on how to obtain the impossible. How to obtain the impossible. Guys, you know what it is. You know what it is. I'm all about limitless possibilities. That was our theme for last year, but it's still it's still on my mind, I guess. Yeah, this year's a year of release, so I'm trusting God to release possibilities onto me. Yeah, it's really wow, amazing. We're getting lunch. Where do you get it, Mom?
Number 6.
Number 6. Wow, I'm getting number 1. I'm gonna insert some clips of our pastors. I'm gonna put it here. You're gonna see the pastors here. Wow, lovely. I'm gonna put it right here. Anyways, I really had a good time. We're here till tomorrow. So today's Saturday, we're here till Sunday. I wasn't able to do the tour of Ottawa that they did because I was working both Thursday and Friday, so I couldn't go. But yeah, it's been great. Tonight we're going back for evening service, for communion service, and then tomorrow's our regular Sunday service, right? So yeah, it's great. I'll be back later. Guys, this is my lip gloss. It's Fenty Beauty. I really like it. It's a very beautiful day here in Ottawa. I'm just applying some lip gloss, don't mind me. Here I am going to Tim Hortons. Friendly Tim Hortons, known very well in Canada. If you don't know Tim Hortons, I don't know, I can't help you. Let's go, Mom. Follow me. We're at Tim Hortons. Steamies. Bye. Elevate. You have something to say, Mom? Elevate. Oh, I'm a 90s baby. Ooh. Oh. Hi guys. Wow, it's so sunny. Like my shirt, it says 90s. I wear to church. Today's evening 4. I'm very excited. Yeah, I'll try to vlog a little bit for y'all to see the service because I feel like I didn't show you much. My foot came out the shoe. Anyways, guys, I gotta go. Okay, bye.
We just want to create the atmosphere for God to be lifted above all. That is what we were created to do, to worship Him. So please feel free to sing this song as we give Him the praise that He deserves. Amen.
Wow, so green and lovely. It's very relaxing to me.